friends, welcome to Kesa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So on this channel we do share DIY, how you can make your own products using researched products which are effective for making DIY. Yes, and we also share cross like lifestyle, and we also share healthy lifestyles, and we also like formulate natural hair and body products. So all those good things are on this channel. To my 48 subscribers, I'm so grateful, dear friends. Yes, thank you so much for your support and your love. Just this helps me to keep pushing and do more. Yes, so I also appreciate my viewers who watch my videos. Yes, I know that one day you're going to subscribe. So if this is your first time on my channel, or maybe you've been more than twice on this channel, you can click on the subscribe button and subscribe now. So like in today's video, I'm going to share how you can make your own DIY conditioner, moisturizing deep conditioner, which can treat your stresses to be moisturized without like costing your bank. Yes, so like sometimes I do make DIY when I don't have time to make cosmetic products, like where we do chemically like I go for DIY. So like it's been hectic, I've been busy and haven't had time to formulate, and I want to deep condition my hair. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end.
You need a bowl or any type of a bowl that you have. You need an avocado. You also need aloe vera gel, or you can even use aloe vera juice. You also need herbal hair growth oil, or any oils that you have. You can even use one oil or two oils. And we are also going to use Moringa powder. That was avocado oil, the one I didn't mention. So I'm going in with 30 grams of avocado. So like avocados are extremely moisturizing, nourishing, because they contain natural oils and both polysaccharides and unsaturated fatty acids, which are helpful for dry, dehydrated hair. So avocado are actually a great source of biotin, and adding this B complex vitamin back into the diet may help hair to grow more healthy. So aloe vera, we are going in with 20 grams. So aloe vera strengthens the hair, and aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair, and like contain it soothes the hair and helps with itchy scalp. And we are also going in with our oils. Like oils, they do help to moisturize hair, strengthen the hair. Yes, so like avocado oil is rich in antioxidants, minerals, essential fatty acids, biotin, vitamin A, B, to 5 and E. So like they really help to repair and strengthen the hair. So like for moringa is loaded with nutrients that are very valuable to hair. So it will really help your hair to be strengthened and to grow your beautiful natural hair. And so now we are going to whip it. Make sure that you whip it until it comes like a thick consistent. Whipping it, it should look like this. So at this point, we are adding in raw honey. So honey is both unique scent and emollient properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. So emollient smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to down hair. And humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands by moisturizing and locking in the moisture, and help the strands like to shine more. and can help restore the luster of hair. Yes, so make sure that you whip it after adding in your honey. So that is how it looks like. It looks also so lovely. It's really going to treat our extremely dry hair, like it's been a week since when I had deep conditioned my hair. So like starting off on freshly washed hair, as you may be aware, like if I've been on this channel, like I'm in a 2-month protective hair challenge. Yes, so like I wash my hair once a week, and we are using onion juice and yes, onion juice and fermented rice water. So like I always like to do everything in section when I'm applying my products, because it helps like to coat every hair strands with whatever product you are using. So like I'm trying to grow my hair, like I want it to go back to the way it used to be, and prayer has been one of my priority. Yes, you know, because the Bible tells us that without me you cannot do anything. Yes, so like in my life I pray for everything, no matter how small. It is very, very important, you know. Yes, so like I'll continue doing everything in sections. At this point we are almost done. Yes, so like I'm doing the last one, so we are done, and we are going to put on a plastic cap, and then I'm going to put on a t-shirt. I'm not going to sit under a bonnet dryer. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.